Integrating AI into manufacturing operations? What a strategic necessity. The manufacturing industry is at a pivotal moment. In 2025, generative AI and smart automation are top investment priorities for manufacturers, especially among SMBs, since they promise efficiency gains, cost reduction, and competitive advantage. Yet adoption remains uneven. Only about half of manufacturers have a formal AI strategy. Many manufacturers still rely on outdated ERP systems, fragmented factory software, and disconnected sensor platforms, creating data silos that obstruct AI integration. These legacy systems, while familiar, are often brittle and incompatible with modern AI tools. Manufacturing businesses are under increasing pressure from unpredictable disruptions, ranging from unplanned equipment downtime to unstable supply chains, yet many still rely on rigid, siloed systems that lack scalability. Unplanned downtime alone costs the global manufacturing sector up to $1.4 trillion annually, making predictive maintenance powered by AI not just a luxury, but a necessity. The benefits resulting from integrating AI-driven systems are undeniable. Forecast equipment failures, reduce breakdowns, optimize maintenance schedules, and predict raw material shortages. These optimizations result in major cost savings and productivity boosts before disruptions escalate. Embrace the upfront challenges of integrating AI and capture sustainable success for the future. Align with a strategic AI partner who offers modular, supported deployments that doesn't strain internal teams. AlignX Solution does not recommend a full systems overhaul, but rather a phased approach. Here's how to start. Use the AlignX Solutions roadmap to integrate AI. Step 1. Define AI use cases tied to clear business outcomes. Start with existing data-rich use cases like machine health and quality control. Step 2. Cleanse and unify data from across shop floor ERP and CRM. Step 3. Start with affordable, low-risk pilot programs that offer measurable steps. Pilot solutions in controlled areas, then scale incrementally, building confidence, culture, and ROI along the way. Step 4. Upskill teams through training and drive adoption via change leadership. Empower employees to co-design current and future AI workflows. AlignX Solutions' tailored AI integration methodology builds a flexible, AI-ready foundation without high IT costs. Through incremental projects, your business can modernize operations, compete with larger firms, and respond to disruption with agility. Take your first step to future-proofing your business with AI. Visit www.alignxsolutions.com and schedule a complimentary 30-minute AI consultation and see where your business stacks in AI readiness against your competitors in the manufacturing industry.